flooded river near the Welsh village of St Ishmael's near the oil port of Milford Haven after gales swept the Pembrokeshire coast and tore the Liberian tanker Dona Marika from her anchor buoy onto the Soldier Rocks. She has a 20-foot gash in her sides and a cargo of 5,000 tons of highly explosive gasoline leaking from it. Anti-pollution and firefighting services were on immediate emergency alert and nearby residents were evacuated. But efforts to refloat the vessel have so far met with failure. Conservancy Board officials report the ship well and truly on the rocks. Meantime, efforts will be made to pump the gasoline out of the floating bomb. The Summerland Pleasure Centre, Douglas, Isle of Man. After the worst fire